Looking for that ultimate refreshing treat for your next picnic or family gathering? Let me introduce you to a delicious fruit slush. That's a staple in Amish and Mennonite kitchens that's not only super easy to make, but also a crowd pleaser that'll keep everyone cool and happy. So I'm going to go over the basic recipe, which is water, sugar, frozen orange juice concentrate, crushed pineapple, and bananas and peaches are usually always in the recipe. We're also going to add strawberries, machino cherries, and blueberries. And I'll leave the clickable, downloadable, printable recipe card down in the show notes. The best way to wash strawberries is to wash them under gentle cold water for 10 to 20 seconds. Drain well. Since these berries are a little bit more than a mouthful, we're gonna quarter them. I absolutely love this knife, Victorinox. My camera woman's mother gave me for a Secret Sister present, and I love them so much I had to order 5 more. They're perfect for canning because they are super sharp. I'll leave a link to them down in the description box for you if you're interested in them. I've used them for at least 9 years now. And look how sharp they are. Wonderful knife. And these strawberries are huge. I even gave these knives to my parents for Christmas presents. They're really inexpensive. You can find them at bulk food stores too. You want your fruit to be in bite-sized pieces, especially if you have ones under 3 eating this. Instead of quartering them, I cut them into bite-sized pieces as well. Which way do you peel your banana from? This end or this end? I peeled from this end all my childhood, but you know, it's easier to peel from this end. Did you not know that? Like, I'm dumbfounded. Like, it is way easier to peel it from this side. So, yeah, that's how I peel bananas now. And you want your bananas to be ripe. Ripe. So we're going to slice up our bananas. And put them into the bowl. And if you have littles in your tribe, you might want to even cut them smaller. All right, let's see about this seal on my peaches. Aren't these beautiful? We're gonna save the juice for the mixture, but we want to slice these peaches up a little bit finer. You can use fresh peaches, but it's a little early for peaches around here. Like, they're just coming in the season. They would work very well in this as well. But I'm using what I got. And the main ingredients in fruit slush is the bananas, the pineapple, and the peaches. Everything else is what I want to put in it. Now this is a vintage jar. Let's just admire it. It says Mom's Mason. I think most of them have Mom on the one side, but this is my home canned pineapple that I got the pineapple from a produce market that my brother works at for $1 a pineapple. In this area, we cannot find pineapple for $1, so I was very happy. And let's listen to that seal. So we're gonna add our pineapple. I don't have any crushed pineapple home canned, so I'm going to put it in my blender and crush it that way. get our water hot, and we're going to dissolve our sugar into it. And I'm making a double batch because I'm sure somebody's going to say that's a lot of sugar. Well, this is going to serve a whole lot of people at church picnics or youth groups and a lot of functions this summer. And since I have my orange juice in the freezer, I'm sticking it into a pitcher of cold water and it'll easily thaw it out really quick for you. Next, we're going to add our reserved peach juice to our mixture. Then I'm using 12 ounces of frozen orange concentrate. Then we're going to stir that together. So this mixture is not that hot. We just wanted to make sure our sugar is dissolved. Then we're just going to add our bananas, our crushed pineapple with the juice, our blueberries, our peaches, our strawberries, and our machino cherries. For a more traditional fruit slush, like the Mennonites do, you can add grapes and leave the berries out and cut the grapes in half. And also, this is a great make-ahead treat that you can take without needing a moment's notice that you need to take something with you. So you want to put it into containers so you can freeze, or if you're doing a function like tomorrow, you can just put it in drinking cups and put it saran wrap over top of them. That way people can just grab and growl at a picnic. So when you get them out of the freezer, you want to make sure they're half thawed out and not completely thawed out. But then you just chuck it with your spoon and it's good to go. You can take an ice cream bucket full and just let people serve out of that. You don't have to worry about it being something that needs to take a while to thaw out. Ice cream buckets work wonders. Maybe I shouldn't put so much in there. You want a little lip at the top because it is a frozen treat. All right, now it's time to put it in our freezer. Now, before I try this, I have to tell you, Howard did come home the day I made it. And he's like, is it done? Is it ready? Is it ready? And I was thinking it was supper. And I'm like, no. Then he's like, no, the fruit. I'm like, oh, yeah. So I got it out for him. He was very hot. Been on the road in 100-degree weather, a couple states over. And I was like, well, how is it? I didn't want to record him then because he was pretty dirty. He's like, it's good. The way he says it, I can't. If he's asking for it, you know it's good. Let's give this a taste. It is so good. Something so easy. You can make this ahead for if you have unannounced get-togethers like I do in my family. This is something to have in the freezer. Most definitely. And if you made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. May I suggest you watching this next. Take care and God bless, and have a great weekend.